Hi, I'm Aoibheann Hurley. I'm a project engineer for Nestlé. I get involved from the start of a project right through to the very end. And for us, a project is a new line to make a new product, or sometimes it's a bit smaller, a small improvement or change on a line for a slightly different flavour or slightly different packaging on a product. So I've worked in Toffee Crisp project here at Fawden, which was moving the Toffee Crisp process and plant from one of our other factories to this factory here in Fawden. So we worked through the whole phase, designing and buying any new equipment that we needed, to planning the installation, working with the installation companies, overseeing it all being put together, and then overseeing the start-up and making sure that it started up properly and correctly and achieved the efficiencies that it was supposed to. In the food industry, engineers are involved in so many ways that you probably don't even imagine when you go into the shop. Every product has a whole process behind it, and that process was designed and installed by engineers. Also in the food industry at the moment, I guess in every industry, energy is becoming hugely important, and conserving energy and using as little as we can is very important, and engineers play a huge role in trying to make our processes more energy efficient and think up different ways that we can do things and using better equipment. And the design and installation of all of that work is by engineers. I have to say, working with chocolate is fun. It's not quite Willy Wonka and his chocolate factory, but it's really rewarding to be able to put so much work into a product and then be able to go down to your local shop and see your product on the shelf. And it's something that people enjoy and love, and to be able to have a part in that is great. I suppose I became first interested in engineering when I started to put it together in my mind the subjects that I always enjoyed in school. Maths, I always liked science, particularly as I got older and I studied physics and chemistry. I really enjoyed those. But I wasn't sure what I wanted or where I wanted to work. So engineering seemed like a really logical option, because once you have an engineering qualification, you can work anywhere in the world in such a huge range of industries, a huge range of businesses, that it gave me flexibility to do whatever I wanted in the future.